Hi everybody, we are on stop number 2 of the Jeco site tours. Come on in and we'll kind of show you, maybe we'll start on the upper level. So part of the master closet here, clearly hers. All of this millwork was done in our shop by Griffel's Custom, and also all of this millwork, pretty much all the millwork throughout the house. So we'll quickly show you around. There's vanity here. That's all stain grade. This is all stain grade as well too. It's not quite finished being put together. Passage doors we also did, and there'll be a couple of little built-ins in here, but also the laundry room, finished all the millwork on that, as well as the pocket door and the railing throughout all the way down. So we're still in install mode here, but this is the mud room, some two-tone. There's some nice stain work here, as long as all of the paint grade cabinetry. Pantry behind you there, also all of that millwork, and of course the floating shelves. You'll see there's a couple of touch-ups, which brings you to our good man Viz here, who is working on touch-ups right now as we speak. As Garen installs it, he's touching it up. So we've got the main kitchen here, 2 islands, and all of this stuff here. So it's mostly all stain grade, really, really nice. So still working on the main floor. We've got this really awesome two-tone entertainment unit here, looking good, almost finished being installed. Just got doors and drawer fronts, a few pieces. That turned out real nice. In the fireplace unit here, we've got some slat wall over there, which is stain grade to match the kitchen. And we've got these beautiful pillars here in this wall, and this will be a hidden door here for the front closet. It'll kind of blend in with everything, and some shelving in there. That does it for the main. And finally, we are in the basement, and the last bit of cabinetry will be this wet bar here, and stain grade also to match everything else, and the entertainment set up over here for the home theater. So there's quite a bit here once you add it all up into this house, and it was all done in the shop aside from the railing and the pocket door upstairs. Other than that, it was all done in our shop. Garen is installing it now. Stay tuned, we'll try and get you some finished shots later.